So should you buy the JBL Free X in 2019? How's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Now, I've been seeing some renewed interest in the JBL Free X, which I thought is very interesting because the JBL Free X is not a new product at all. It was released in, January 2019, but it really is a slightly improved version of the JBL Free, which came about in early 2018. So it's not a new product by any measure. Maybe there was a sale or something which I wasn't aware of that got people excited about the JBL Free X. But even on discount, how does the Free X compare to what's available today and what's coming soon? Now, let's do a quick recap of the JBL Free X's features just in case you haven't watched my review of these earbuds from back in January. The JBL Free X has an IPX5 water resistance rating. It's got a total battery life of 24 hours, 4 hours of charge in the buds, and an extra 5 chargers in the case. It's got a micro USB charging port, and it supports Bluetooth 4.2 and SBC codec only. So if you're somebody who is always looking for something with the latest features, this is not what I would recommend, especially at its list price of $150 on JBL's website. And it's true, the vast majority of the latest truly wireless earbuds supports USB-C charging. Some even have wireless charging. And not only that, they support Bluetooth 5.0, SBC AAC codec support, and some even aptX. And I can quote examples both below and above the JBL Free X's price point. You've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Those retail for $129. Well, they've got features like USB-C charging, wireless charging, an Android app, ambient sound pass-through, and touch controls. And what about that Amazon Echo Buds just announced last week? Well, those have noise cancelling too, and they cost just about the same price as the Samsung Galaxy Buds and cheaper than the Free X. So as you can see, the market for truly wireless earbuds is becoming very, very competitive, and all the brands are just throwing in all the latest features at much lower price points than before, easily outshining the JBL Free X. So in terms of features, well, the JBL Free X is looking very much like 2018. But there are some things about the JBL Free X which is very appealing in 2019, especially to people who do sports or who work out at the gym. Its battery life is very good, 24 hours in total, 4 hours in the buds, 20 hours in the case. So you don't have to charge them very often, especially if you're somebody who has a busy lifestyle. I mean, who has time to plug in a cable, right? Well, I think a lot of people, but if you don't have a lot of time to even do that, then the JBL Free X is great. And these are the only earbuds I've tried at this price point that include silicone sleeves. Sleeves that wrap around the body of the earbuds so that when you wear them, they apply more friction to your ear. And I can't stress enough how important this is for people who work out and for people who do sports. That added stability, that added assurance that they will stay in your ear even when your ears are wet. This is one other thing that really appeals to me. Even somebody like me who don't do sports, I can see the value in that. And even without the sleeves, these are some of the most stable, truly wireless earbuds I've tried. They sit quite snugly in the conch of your ear. Yeah, even now I can feel it, it's quite snug. And finally, let's talk about its sound quality. Now, I know a lot of people who probably wouldn't care that much about what features it has or doesn't have, but they would really care if this doesn't sound good. And thankfully, this first price point is one of the best sounding earbuds I've tried. It sounds pretty clear in the mid and high registers, and it sounds pretty open and laid back too. It's got a bit of body in the mid-range, so if you like listening to a lot of vocals music, you're not gonna feel left out with these earbuds. But if you're a bass head and you like your bass extended very low, very loud, and with a lot of gravitas, you're not gonna find that here. But what you will get with these earbuds is a bass signature that is both detailed and textured. In fact, I kind of like its bass signature. It's pretty nice actually. So it sounded great in 2018, and today in 2019 it still sounds great. So if you're all about sound quality, the JBL Free X is definitely one that you should consider, especially if it's on promotion. But like I said before, it's not just about sound quality, it's also very suitable for busy people who work out a lot. You know, you don't want to charge your earbuds that often. 24 hours in total, more than enough juice, and it's got those silicone sleeves, which keeps the earbuds extra tight in your ears. However, in terms of features, there are alternatives that you should look at first. I've mentioned the Samsung Galaxy Buds and the Amazon Echo Buds. What about the Creative Outlier Gold, the Earphone Free X Mini Liberty Plus, the Jabra Elite 65T when it's on discount, the Jaybird Vista, the Skull Candy Sash? These are quite a few viable alternatives to the Free X if you are somebody who is looking for the latest features. But I want to know what you guys think. Will you still buy the JBL Free X in 2019? Tell me in the comments section below, and I look forward to reading what you have to say. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron's Wireless, and as always, if you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload new videos every single week, and this is the only way YouTube will notify you. But please also check in your YouTube settings if you've enabled YouTube notifications, because if it's not enabled, YouTube will not notify you of new videos from my channel even if you rang the bell. So be sure to do all that, and I'll see you again in the next one.